Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create a journal entry on Quickbook. So you open up your Quickbook. The next thing you want to do is to create a journal entry. So what you do is you click on the new at the corner, left hand corner here. And under order you can see journal entry. So click on it. And this is your journal. So the date, journal number, the account, the debit, the description, name, everything you need. Put it there. Then don't forget you can add lines or clear lines, you can add memo, you can put attachments of maximum size of 20 megabytes. Once you treat everything, you click on save. You have to fill out at least 2 detail lines before you can continue. So fill out something. Let's call this account name, and then let's just fill something. Let's just fill something there. The name didn't stay. Okay, we can add something from here. Let's just add. The value is out of range. Just showing you how you can do it. So let's choose something else again. And then, okay, to keep it in the side, it's supposed to be dividend, disbursed to be in the debit side, and equity in earnings to be on the credit side. So I think that's good. So we have our total here. Now we can save it. Journal entry 1 has been saved. It's as simple as that. That is how to create a journal on Quickbooks. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.